Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This is a request by my wife. She wants to try to eat some cordyceps flour steamed chicken. And recently, my wife has been going to gym a lot, so she actually likes to have a bit more breast meat, yeah, chicken breast meat. So this is, I'm actually using 1/4 of the chicken here. This is the part on the breast and also the wings, yeah. So I cut into big chunks, probably about 500 grams. This maybe more. This is a huge chicken actually. Then let's look at our cordyceps flour. Now there are 3 items here. Approximately 400 grams of cordyceps flour. Just quick rinse under water will do until it is softened. And then I have 2 pieces of red dates. And if you are using red dates, try to remove the seeds inside. Yeah, cut it into small pieces like this. And I have some ginger slices as well. So it is very simple to do. Just marinate it with the chicken together and then steam it. That's all. Very nice, but very flavorful. So I have one bigger bowl here. First, I'm going to put in the chicken. This chicken breast is actually a huge piece. And then after that, I'm going to put in the ginger slices, red dates, and also the cordyceps flour. So we're going to marinate it. First of all, I'm going to give it some fine salt. Some oyster sauce. Oh, my oyster sauce is finishing. Never mind, just use it up. Some Shaoxing wine. Some light soy sauce. Okay, this is light soy sauce. Few dashes of white pepper. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, you can put in some. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. And I give you a little bit of starch powder, yeah. And you want to mix everything up nicely, right? So once this is done, I'm going to put this onto the steaming plate evenly, yeah. Put it evenly onto the steaming plate. So I have a steaming plate here. So try to even it out to single layer so that the steaming process can be more evenly done. You can actually add in a bit of water if you like it to have a little bit more sauce later. I don't mind adding in a bit more water here, or you can add in some more Shaoxing wine. Alright, we shall send this over to the steamer. So here's my steamer, my favorite steamer, 70-liter steamer. I'm going to use high heat. Oops. 120, let me give you a bit more steam. Okay, and confirm 120 degrees. You can use anything above 100 degrees Celsius, yeah? And I will steam it for approximately 20 minutes. Let's heat up first. Once the steamer has been preheated, you can carefully put in the chicken. Let it steam between 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, you can choose to steam 15, then let it rest inside for another 5 minutes. Also can. It will become probably even more tender. But sometimes Appa is lazy. I'll go straight for 20 minutes. All right, this is after about 20 minutes. Let me open the lid. Wow. Let's allow the steam to go away first. And let me check out the chicken. Whoa. Let me double check the zoom. Oh, look at the chicken. Wow, looks really good. Whoa. One thing I noticed, I should probably not using 120 degrees Celsius. It has actually darkened my the mushroom. the cordyceps flower just now. I should use 100 degrees Celsius, that would be good enough. Okay, anyway, it's still all right. Then I have some soaked goji berries here. And there you go. Here's my very simple steamed chicken with cordyceps flower. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.